Zoom, zoom, faster. Zoom, zoom, faster. Zoom, zoom, faster.
Of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
And seeing what we can do to customize a solution for them.
I love what we did for Ford.
They wanted a way to keep families, keep children, keep everyone engaged at the display so they could see the new models instead of people running around.